I built my brother this AI companion for $80. Here's why I built it and how you can build one too. My brother is a dungeon master, and a good one at that. He can read an entire D&D sourcebook cover to cover in a day and recite it back to you in the next one. When he's not running campaigns with his friends, he's building new ones for them to do together. So instead of getting him a gift card or some other low-effort gift, I built him an artifact, one that he can use to help him prepare for those missions. It runs on a $40 computer called a Raspberry Pi 4, and the touchscreen was another $40. The entire build is on GitHub. You could build this for someone in a weekend. In fact, it has never been easier to build these devices. AI is arguably the best teacher that has ever existed. You can describe an idea and it will tell you exactly how to build it in plain English at your level, right now. Building the hardware is the easy part and is similar to building Legos. You can build this in an afternoon. The part that takes more time is writing the code, but it's also the place where you have the most freedom. The real question becomes, what do you want it to be? You can code these to be whatever you want, a game, a timer, an AI companion, whatever matters to the person you're building it for. That's what makes this different than buying something off the shelf. You're not choosing from options, you're deciding from scratch. I spent a while trying to perfect this because I wasn't sure if my brother was going to like it. But honestly, I think the smile says it all. The day after I gave version 1 to my brother, he asked me if it could stream Hobbit movies. And my answer was, yes it can, and that could be version 2. That's the whole point. You build something and you give it to someone, and then you ask them what they want it to do. Then you build that. It never has to be finished, it just has to be started, and you can iterate from there. I want to show off the AI capabilities of this device because I think that the term AI gets thrown around a lot these days. When most people hear AI, they think ChatGPT, a chatbot that answers questions, but AI is a blanket term for any system that processes information and makes decisions. Who is Gandalf the Grey? The AI on this device is Whisper from OpenAI to transcribe the audio, and then Claude from Anthropic to answer the question. These are only 2 examples of what AI can be. AI is your Spotify recommendations, it's the fraud detection on your credit card, it's the algorithm for Instagram deciding what you watch next. In this device alone there are 2, but there are millions. And the best part is they're all buildable. I chose to make this specific device for my brother, a companion that can answer his questions, set his focus timers, play his music, but this device could be anything. It could be a Hobbit movie player, an LED light show, a smart mirror, a game console. Pretty much whatever you can imagine it to be, you can probably build it. And the best part is the hardware is all the same, the AI is the same. The only variable is what you want it to be. So the one thing I want you to take away from this video is that the question isn't what AI can do anymore. The question is, what are you going to build with it?